So today is our first anniversary of the results came, 5th April 2019. I vividly remember around this time we got the result, and 15-20 minutes after the result came out, like everyone in my house was silent, and at that moment I just shouted as loud as I can and as I could, and I think that moment was when that feeling sinked in that I have become an IAS, and I have been able to achieve the dream that I always aimed for. It has been an amazing 1 year. I can't even express how I felt on that particular day, and it was just still it's a very surreal moment for me. And just getting into the service into IAS, which I always dreamt of, I was able to achieve that dream. So that makes me proud even today. And this whole experience in the academy has been very good because we have. I have met a lot of new people, made a lot of new friends, learned a lot of different things. So earlier my friend circle was restricted to a particular type of people. Here we have so many different experiences.
Hello everyone, my name is Sunair Ahmed and last year आज ही के दिन result आया था 7:30 पे. So I was in Indian Revenue Service at that time. तो वहाँ academy में मैं था and I was in my room. So सुबह से चल ही रहा था कि रिजल्ट आने वाला है and then जब PDF आई तो हम लोग सर्च करते हैं कि नाम से कि डायरेक्टली आ जाए वहाँ पे. And when I opened the first page, directly I saw my name and उस वक्त मुझे लगा ही नहीं था कि मेरा नाम है. And then क्या हुआ कि रोल नंबर में चेक करने लगा and मैंने फिर अपना एडमिट कार्ड निकाला. 2 मिनट तक मुझे कंफर्म करने में लग गया था कि ये हाँ मेरा ही नंबर है. And then उसके बाद the first thing I did was call my parents and they were very happy. And उसके बाद तो calls आने शुरू हो गए थे और 2 दिन I didn't sleep at all. Calls और ये सारी चीजें थी. So it was a very nice thing. सारी चीजें जैसे हुई and आज 1 साल हो गया है I'm in the academy और बहुत nostalgic लगता है जब I remember about that day. पूरा academy में किस तरीके से था and यहाँ आने के बाद academy में पूरा 1 साल 6-7 महीने होने वाले हैं ट्रेनिंग को. इट्स गुड रिजल्ट के बाद तक और यहाँ तक का फेज तक.
Hi everyone, my name is Srishti Jayanth Deshmukh and I'm going to describe the moment that I came to know about my result. So my best friend told me that I had got this rank and on phone we both started crying. It was a moment of shock, disbelief, but it was very pleasant one. I started shouting, I ran to my mother and I said, Mama, result aa gaya, aapka rank aa gaya. And then I was like, पहले जाके check कर फिर से confirm it. And then we started shouting, my neighbors came in, I called my father. It was a moment, that changed my life. A moment that would be forever etched in my memory.
Hi everyone, I am Shubham Gupta. Last year, exactly 1 year ago, on the same day, the results had come out for Civil Services 2018 exam, and I found my name on the list. This was my 4th attempt and probably the last. My first reaction after that was to call my dad and my mom and tell them, "Ho gaya." I think this was the first overwhelming feeling which I had. The next was the fact that the cycle is done. I'm done with the cycle. This is my 4th attempt. I had not cleared prelims in the first and 3rd attempt. Second, I got sorted in accounts. So it was a very relieving feeling for me that now I don't have to go through the cycle 1 year cycle over and over again. And this was it. It's really a great feeling to know that you have achieved what you wanted to achieve and you have struggled for a significant number of years in your life. I was really looking forward to being in the academy, Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration. It is a dream place for me, and now I'm here. So looking back 1 year, it really feels great as to what I wanted to aspire for, and what I am doing right now. So dreams do become reality when you struggle for it, when you work for it, when you.
I'm Vaishali. Hi, I'm Amrit. And we are here to recollect our memories from last year. So Amrit, how was it for you on 5th of April last year?
See, I had been a nervous wreck since 1st April or so, and I was totally going crazy because the results were getting delayed. And my mother was there with me, my nephew, my bhabhi, and we were just sitting there. And I just saw that the PDF is out there. I didn't tell them the result is out. I just opened the PDF, I researched from my roll number, and I was like, okay, the result is out, and my rank is this, and I'm done. I mean, the first reaction was only relief, like supreme relief. Happiness came later, but yeah, I was just relieved.
I think मेरा reaction भी somewhat similar था कि I think there was a Telegram group which was speculating when the result will come out, and since 4 in the evening they were like the result can come out any moment, and it was hilarious beyond a point, after a point. But at around 7, I got a feeling that the result can come any moment. At that time I was sitting with my mother. I shifted to another room because I wanted to see the result alone. And I was in the Telegram group, and at 7:07 the PDF came. And I just opened the PDF and I scrolled, and I remember the names were on the 3rd page. Tab tak hi my breath was like really fast, and I read the top 10 names and I found my name there, and I just remember I shouted, Mama, I've got rank 8, and then I was like, let me check my roll number first, what if it's not me?
Yeah, I did that too.
Yeah, and then my father was in the office, I ran towards him, and then all the relatives came home. It was a very happy moment. The first reaction was like Amrit said, it was more of a relief that we are out of the process. And then it was happy.
I got All India rank 28 in the civil services exam last year. It's been 1 year exactly, and I guess it was around 7 p.m. when we got the result the same day last year, and I was in office. I had never believed that I'll clear the exam, and for the past 5 days I couldn't eat at all. I couldn't focus, I couldn't sleep. I was just counting minutes when the result would be out, and once I got the result, unless and until I had seen the result firsthand, because I got to know from one of my friends over call that I got in this rank, so I didn't believe it, and then it was a very happy moment. I was crying and laughing at the same time. It was beautiful.
Came through. No words to explain. A sense of accomplishment, satisfaction, and happiness. The day when the entire TV channels there in Tamil Nadu descended to me for an interview, it was, I can never forget that event. Short to fame was very, very good, but that came as
I'll just ask all the aspirants that whatever you dream of, just go for it, and I'm sure that you will be able to achieve it. So best of luck, thank you, just go for it and always work hard, stay optimistic and always be confident about your abilities. Thank you.
नए एस्पिरेंट्स हैं जो प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं उनके लिए मेरा मैसेज यही है कि आप जो भी कर रहे हैं, प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, एटलीस्ट ये भी दिमाग में रखिए कि एकेडमी की मेमोरीज क्या होंगी, आपके रिजल्ट की मेमोरीज क्या होंगी. तो हर एक चीज़ छोटी से छोटी प्रिपरेशन है, रिजल्ट है, उसको एक जर्नी की तरह देखिएगा. उसको वो जो मेमोरीज आपके रहेंगी वो हमेशा लाइफ टाइम के लिए रहेंगी.
For all of you, I would love to tell you that, in this time, stay positive, stay calm, and this is a time of isolation. You're staying alone, or maybe with your family. Utilize this time to the fullest. Stay positive, don't lose hope, and all the very best to you.
Success that you really deserve.
You will be there and can be there next year. None of us expected our names to be there in the list at the time when we saw the list. So it just happens. Just working hard. That's
Keep
it.
working hard and all.